Hi, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about adding and subtracting integers. So first thing that we need to think about when we're adding and subtracting integers is we need to think about the integers are all the numbers on the number line. It's the negative numbers and the positive numbers. The negative numbers are the numbers that go from 0 to the left. The positive numbers are the numbers that go from 0 to the right. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is 0. When we talk about integers, we're talking about positive numbers and negative numbers. Now we're going to talk about how you add and subtract the integers. When you add integers, you will have two positive numbers. The positive numbers, the numbers that are on the right side of the 0, positive numbers, right side of the 0. You add a positive number and a positive number, 5 plus 4, and you get 9. That's what we normally do every time we add numbers. When we learned to add numbers in the early grades in elementary school, we learned adding the positive numbers. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then, as we've gotten older and now we're in the middle school, we're finding out that you have positive numbers and you have negative numbers. If you have a positive number added to a negative number, you subtract the numbers and you keep the sign of the larger number. So here are two examples. 3, negative 6. The answer is negative 3. The larger sign is with the negative, and it's by the 6. The 6 is the larger number. You subtract the numbers, and you keep the sign of the larger number. Now, here we have negative 3 plus 6 equals 3. The negative number is the smaller number, negative 3. So I still subtract my numbers, even though that says plus, I need to subtract my numbers. And I say negative 3 plus 6, because what I'm saying is negative 3. So I start at negative 3. And then I move to the right of negative 3 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I end up at positive 3. Negative 3 plus 6 is positive 3. Just like here, I start at positive 3, and I move to the left. I move down the number line 6, which is why I said negative 6. Positive 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 3. That's how I got negative 3. Now, if I have a negative number and a negative number that I'm adding together, that means that I'm moving my negative number on the number line. So if I have negative 6 plus negative 4, I add the two numbers and I keep the sign that is the negative sign. So I start at negative 6, and I would go down negative 4, which gives me negative 10. Same thing here, negative 6, negative 4. It's just written a different way. It's still negative 10. Two negative numbers, when they're added together, is the negative number. Because what I'm doing is I'm moving down the number line, because I'm adding a negative number and another negative number. I'm moving to the left because I'm moving negative number and I'm moving to the left with another negative number, which gives me a negative number. Negative 6 plus negative 4 is negative 10. Negative 6, negative 4 is negative 10. Thank you.